To make this icing, you first start with softened butter in a cereal bowl. I used about 1/4 of a cup and whipped it till it was really smooth. Then you add in powdered sugar with a sifter until it becomes so stiff it's hard to stir. Keep adding in icing sugar until it's really, really thick. And once it is, then it's time to add liquid. Add in some almond or vanilla extract and some milk, a little at a time until it's spreadable consistency. Then you just use a nice little spreading knife and your icing will be so nice and soft to spread. And then you can color your icing. I used the wrong coloring. I thought this was gel food coloring, so it turned out pink instead of red. But it spreads so nicely and you can get the job done quick and easy. No recipe needed.